All right, that was just my French bread that I cut into slices. I'm gonna bring in my sheet pan and we're gonna lay out our French bread pieces right on our sheet pan because we wanna toast these up for this super easy and delicious appetizer. All right, and to make sure these get nice and crispy, we're gonna drizzle some olive oil on these. Just a nice little drizzle, and then we will use our kitchen brush to make sure it gets nice and distributed. So I just have this, just like what you would do for butter, and we're just gonna kind of get that olive oil all over that piece of bread. Yummy. All right, and then I'm just gonna do a nice little sprinkle of salt on these. This will just help with those flavors. Perfect, okay. My oven is set to 425 and these are gonna be in there for like 5 to 10 minutes. All right, while those are in the oven, I'm gonna grab my whipped cream cheese. You can use softened cream cheese if you prefer to. And I'm just gonna place this right in my pan, my aluminum cake pan. Could be used whatever pan you want. A 9 by 13 is what we're looking for. And we're just gonna spread that on the bottom of our pan. And I do have a second one because that clearly isn't enough. And we're gonna make sure we have a nice layer for this super easy and delicious appetizer. We did use those whole 2 containers of the whipped cream cheese. Next, I'm coming in with my cocktail sauce. Oh yeah, and this is gonna go right on here. I do have a spatula to get this out because obviously that is not gonna come out easy. And we're gonna use 2 jars of this cocktail sauce as well. You can use whatever brand of cocktail sauce you like. I know they have some fancier ones and then they also have a store brand one, but the McCormick is always my go-to because that is a trustworthy brand. All right, that was our 2 jars. Now I'm just gonna grab a clean spatula and spread this on top of our cream cheese. We wanna make sure that cream cheese is completely covered by our cocktail sauce. Now you can cut this recipe in half and do it in like an 8 by 8 pan, but this is gonna be for a party, so I did double it up so that we can get extra deliciousness for everybody. But we're not done yet. We have one more thing. I did already take my little toasties out of the oven. They're cooling down right now. But now we have to add the best ingredient, the one that's really gonna tie all of these flavors together. And that is our cooked shrimp. So I did let these thaw out and now we're just gonna place our shrimp right on top of our cocktail sauce, just like so. They're completely thawed, but they're still a little cold because this is gonna be a chilled dip. You can cook this if you want like a warm dip, but I would still keep the shrimp to the side until that cream cheese is nice and gooey like you want. But we're just placing our cooked shrimp right on top for this super easy and delicious appetizer. All right, last one there. Let's go ahead and get our toasties. Okay, and look how beautiful these came out.
Oh,
woo! Go ahead and grab one. And then you can kind of just scoop your little shrimp right on top. Doesn't that look so good?
Yeah, it looks really good actually.
Okay, let's first things first, get that shut off.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.